walk into the fridge. Pickle? What are you doing up here? Pickle? Pickle, come here. Pickle, come down here. Are you gonna stay up there? Okay, I'm gonna leave you up there. I'm gonna just close the fridge. Pickle's oh, he's about to do the hawk. He's about to do the hawk.